In this video, we're going to look at equivalent fractions. We're going to start off by looking at 6 over 18. Whatever we do to the numerator, we have to do to the denominator. And whatever that is, it has to be the same. We can multiply or we can divide. So we multiply 6 by 3, we've got to multiply 18 by 3. We multiply 6 by 2, we've got to multiply 18 by 2. And that will give us an equivalent fraction. So 2 times 6 equals 12, and 2 times 18 equals 36. That's an equivalent fraction to 6 over 18. We multiplied both numbers by 2. 18 by 2 and 6 by 2. We multiplied. We didn't divide, we multiplied. But we can divide as well. We can multiply the numerator and denominator by any number, not just by 2. We could multiply by 4. We could multiply it by 10. We could multiply it by 3, or even 1,000. Maybe 5, maybe 50, 500. We can multiply it even by anything really. Okay, 72. But the one thing we've got to remember is what we've got to do to the bottom. What we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. If we multiply by 18 by 7, we've got to multiply the 6 by 7. Okay, here we have 6 times 5 and 18 times 5. Let's get rid of the 2, so multiplying by 2. Okay, that would be 5 times 6 equals 30. And 5 times 18 equals 90. That's 30 over 90, which is an equivalent fraction to 6 over 18. It means the same thing. Okay, 90 and 30. Now, what if we divide? What if we divide the 30 and the 90, if we divide it by 10? Don't forget, as long as we're dividing 30 by 10, we've got to divide 90 by 10. And that will give us 3 over 9. Now we're going down, we're dividing. Now look at the 3 over 9 if we divide it once more. What goes into 3 and what goes into 9? Is there one number that you can think of that divides into 3 and divides into 9? Well, 3 goes into 3 and 3 goes into 9, leaving 0. So there's one number. So therefore, 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. Okay? So 3 divided by 3 and 9 divided by 3, see we're doing the same thing for both top and bottom, equals 1/3. Now 1/3 is at the lowest, it's a fraction in the simplest form, because 1 we can't divide anything into, and 3 we can't divide anything into, except for 1. But that'll still get us 1/3. So therefore 1/3 is equivalent to 6 over 18 and 30 over 90 and 3 over 9 and 12 over 36. They're all equivalent. They're all the same fraction. But 1/3 is the simplest form.